Welcome back. Today we will learn how to add a node in the beginning of a linked list. A quick recap. There are 3 steps for creating a linked list, and there are 3 pointers also. mNew points to the new node. When the list is empty, the start points to the new node. When the list has only one node, the new node gets the second position in the list. And if the list has 2 or more nodes, we run a loop which will enable the temp to visit each node and find the node whose next pointer points to null. That will signify that it is the last node. Then the new node is attached to the last node like this. Now, the list is empty. That means the start points to null, and mNew points to the newly created node as usual. Then the start should point to 743, right? Because 743 is the address of the new node. So it will go like this is 743, and it will look something like this. So you write start equal to mNew. Now the list has 1 or more nodes. Unlike previously, we had a separate condition for one node. Here we will have only one more condition, that is, the list is non-empty. So the first condition will be list is empty, and another condition will be the list is non-empty. So there will be no third condition here. So we have that the list has 1 or more nodes. Then it will look like this. The start is pointing to some node here, and we have only one node. Just for example, now if the linked list is having more than one node, the following logic will be same, right? Okay, so we have the mNew here, which is pointing to the address 251, and this node should be added in front of this list. So this is the existing list here that is having this node as node number 1. Now when we add this node in front of this node, then this node should be in the first position, right? So this will be the position number 1, and this one will become 2. Now how to achieve this? Now you see this next pointer here pointing to null. Now if this next pointer can be pointed to this 743, then this node will be in front of this node. So we write 743 here, and as soon as you write 743, then this will be linked to this node. So this node is now in front of this node. So this was in first position, now it has become in the second position now, and this has become the first position. So you write mNew next equal to start. Now one little more thing we have to do. You see that the start pointer here is still pointing to this node, which is now in the second position. but it should not do like that. Now, since this node has become the first position in the list, so this start pointer should point to this node. So we will remove this 743 here, and we will replace the 743 with 251, so that it will now start pointing to this node at 251, which is the first node. So we write like this: start equal to mnew. Thus, we learn to add node in the beginning of a list. In the next video, we will see how a node can be inserted at a specified position on the list. Thank you for watching and take care.